Hello, I'm Dr. Frank Incrapera, and I'm a dentist in Houston, Texas. Snoring is a very common problem in nearly half of all men and about a third of all women. It can put a strain on your relationship with your spouse, forcing you to sleep or lose sleep at night, or even forcing the snorer to sleep in another room. Snoring, however, can be a sign of a much greater problem, and one that can be life-threatening: obstructive sleep apnea. Snoring is caused when the passages of your throat are narrowed and the soft palate, the tongue, and the throat begin to vibrate. Frequent and loud snoring may be a sign of sleep apnea, a serious disorder in which your breathing repeatedly stops and starts as you sleep. Not everyone who has sleep apnea snores, and not every person who snores has sleep apnea. The biggest sign that you might have sleep apnea is how you feel during the day. You may feel fatigued, extremely tired, or have a hard time concentrating. If you feel you might have sleep apnea, the first thing you must do is to get a sleep study and get a diagnosis from a certified sleep doctor. If you need help in taking the first step to getting a restful and restorative night's sleep, call our office today. You will be glad you did. Again, I am Dr. Frank Incrapera in Houston, Texas, and my phone number is 281-493-0061. Thank you.